Hey y'all. My hair has gone through it. I've been through every stage in this natural hair journey, okay? Up to this point, my hair is actually very healthy. I'm really happy with where I am now. I'm full curls, full natural. I've come a long way. I'm at this junction in my natural hair care journey. It's healthy, but I'm not retaining length. And I know how to read my hair, but I'm not always consistent with taking care of it. That's what brings me to this. I need protein. I am finally trying the rice water. Lots of benefits to rice water. I've read the vitamins. We're not getting into all that. That's not what this video is about. Google it, sis, and go from there. But my hair just was really over moisturized. I guess that's the thing with my hair. It can get too soft, and if it's too moisturized, it gets kind of like mushy, soggy, and it gets really weak. So it can fall out, shed, and that, oh my God, my hair was shedding so much. I'd be doing it and it'd just be like hair, and it wasn't breaking, it was just strands of hair just and for me it freaked me out. I'm like, nah. Let's see how it goes. What in the world? What the heck, y'all? This is stiff. It's just kind of rigid feeling. I don't know if I'll go as far to say brittle, but it's just definitely not as soft as my hair usually feels after I wash and condition it. I'm not really feeling this right now. I still have to deep condition it though, so maybe that'll feel better, but it's not shedding. Hey, that's a plus. We'll see. It's been 2 weeks since I did the rice water treatment. So remember, my goal in doing the rice water was to 1, strengthen my hair, and to 2, reduce shedding. To be honest with you, I think they're kind of one and the same. Rice water definitely has other benefits, but that's what I wanted out of it. And to be honest with you, after doing it, it did all that and more. Okay. I I loved it. Yes, I will be doing this once a month. I was really impressed because I was really skeptical. Y'all saw my reaction after I rinsed it out. It just felt stiff. I was really worried. I deep conditioned and it still just felt a little dry. I did my moisturizing routine and I put it in protective style for about a week. My hair is soft. It's so soft. It's always been soft, but it's a different kind of soft. It's like fluffy, but like bouncy. And it's strong. When I tell you it's so strong, and I haven't had nearly as much shedding. I saw instant results with the shedding. I literally saw this much of a difference. After I rinsed out the rice water, I went to do a deep condition and style my hair as usual, and that's all I had. It feels really amazing, y'all. I mean, I can't praise it enough. Okay? I definitely recommend. If you're looking to strengthen and soften and just overall give your hair some health, I just do it. Hell yes, do it. Okay? Don't wait no longer. Go ahead and get up now and go I know you got some rice in your kitchen. Go ahead, get up now and do it. Go make it happen.